Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled at the edge of Whispering Woods, there lived a group of adventurous friends named Lily, Jack, and Max. Every day after school, they would gather at their secret hideout by the old oak tree to share stories and embark on exciting adventures. One sunny afternoon, as they played near the edge of the woods, they heard a faint whispering sound. Curiosity piqued, they exchanged puzzled glances before deciding to investigate. With hearts pounding and a sense of anticipation in the air, they ventured into Whispering Woods. The woods were dense, and sunlight barely filtered through the thick canopy of trees. Shadows danced around them, and the whispering grew louder with each step they took. Yet, they pressed on, drawn deeper into the heart of the mysterious forest. Suddenly, they stumbled upon a clearing adorned with sparkling crystals and shimmering orbs hanging from the branches. Mesmerized by the enchanting sight, they approached cautiously. But as they reached out to touch the orbs, the whispering intensified, and a shroud of darkness enveloped the clearing. Terrified yet determined, the friends held hands and braved the darkness together. Through the gloom, they glimpsed a figure shrouded in mist, its eyes glowing with an otherworldly light. Trembling, they realized they had awakened a guardian spirit of the woods. With a gentle voice, the spirit revealed that the crystals and orbs were the essence of Whispering Woods, protecting its magic from those who sought to exploit it. But now, the balance was disturbed, and the magic was fading. Realizing the danger, Lily, Jack, and Max vowed to restore the balance and protect the woods. With the spirit's guidance, they embarked on a quest to collect the scattered crystals and orbs, facing challenges and overcoming obstacles along the way. Through courage, friendship, and unwavering determination, they succeeded in restoring the magic of Whispering Woods. As the last crystal glowed with renewed brilliance, the spirit thanked them with a warm smile before fading into the ether. With the woods once again alive with magic, Lily, Jack, and Max returned home, their hearts filled with joy and a sense of accomplishment. And as they watched the sunset behind the whispering trees, they knew that their adventure was only the beginning of many more to come in the enchanting world of Whispering Woods.